Risks and restrictions of non-LG Content Store apps.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial topic for LG Smart TV users: the potential risks and restrictions associated with installing apps from sources other than the official LG Content Store. It's always essential to stay informed, and understanding these risks can help you make safer choices for your device.
What is the LG Content Store?
The LG Content Store is the official app store for LG Smart TVs. Here, developers submit their apps, and they undergo rigorous testing and validation by LG to ensure they're safe and compatible. Only approved apps appear in this store, so downloading from here ensures a level of trust.
What are the risks of non-LG Content Store apps?
There are several risks to consider. 1. Malware and viruses. Apps from unofficial sources might contain malicious software that can harm your TV or steal your data. 2. Compatibility issues. These apps might not have been tested for LG TVs specifically, leading to unexpected crashes or poor performance. 3. Lack of updates. These apps might not receive regular updates, leaving them vulnerable or outdated. 4. Void warranty. In some cases, installing third-party apps can void your TV's warranty.
Are there restrictions?
Yes, there are. 1. Installation restrictions. LG Smart TVs might not allow the direct installation of unofficial apps. Bypassing this could require technical know-how and might involve potential risks. 2. Geographical restrictions. Some apps might be restricted in specific regions, even if they're available elsewhere. In conclusion, while the allure of additional apps and features might be tempting, it's essential to weigh the benefits against the potential risks. Your TV is a significant investment, and protecting it should be a priority. It's always best to stick to trusted sources and be cautious when considering third-party applications. Stay safe and enjoy your viewing experience.